The Australia Department of Home Affairs conducts the Australia Skill Select Invitation Round, which happens on a regular basis, usually once a month or once every 3 months. An invitation is sent by the Australian Department of Immigration to candidates for permanent residence who have applied under the point-based General Skilled Migration Visa programs. This is why understanding the Australian Skill Select Invitation Round is a crucial stage in this process, which might make or break your ambition of becoming an Australian resident. Under the Permanent Migration Program, more than 185,000 migrants will be eligible to migrate to Australia in 2024-2025, providing opportunities and hope to many professionals worldwide. This process will be explained in this video, an explanation of how these invitation rounds work, and, above all, a method for improving your chances of getting selected from the competitive pool of candidates. Australian Skill Select Invitation Rounds. In essence, invitation rounds are how the Australian government chooses qualified individuals from the pool of EOIs to apply for a skilled visa, as they are an important part of the skill select process. These rounds normally take place once a month. However, the number of applications and Australia's immigration planning levels might affect the frequency and dates. The Australian Skill Select Invitation Rounds follow a simple 3-step process that consists of 1. Send in an expression of interest. To begin, fill out an EOI on Skill Select by describing your qualifications, skills, and preferred visa category. 2. Accumulate points. Your EOI is assigned a point score that is determined by many variables, including age, educational background, English language competency, and skilled work experience. 3. Await an invitation. Depending on the kind of visa and the demand for your skills in Australia, you could receive an invitation to apply during an invitation round if your point score is high enough. Skill Select Occupation List explained. Everyone who is thinking about relocating to Australia based on their qualifications and expertise must begin their journey by completing an expression of interest on the Skill Select website. The Australian National Immigration Program's current performance and continuous consultation have resulted in the Skill Select Occupation List, which is updated on a regular basis. The Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List and the Short-Term Skilled Occupations List are the two lists that are commonly used. Occupations are added, removed, and dropped from the list on a regular basis. And if your occupation is removed from the occupation list, you will not be eligible to come to Australia using this platform. Tips for increasing your invitation chances. The first invitations to apply for a desired visa are extended to those with the highest point totals. When two persons have the same score, a tiebreaker determines who is invited first. This tiebreaker is based on the date of effect, and those who received their scores earlier are invited before those who received them later. You can do the following to improve your chances of receiving an invitation to apply. 1. Increase your English test score so you may get more points with higher English language competence scores. 2. Get additional work experience since it can help your EOI stand out, as relevant work experience from both your home country and Australia is a plus. 3. Achieve more education and a state nomination, since being nominated by an Australian state or territory government might result in a significant point gain, and also obtaining more credentials can lead to a better point score. Occupation ceilings for invitation rounds. There may be a maximum number of expressions of interest that can be sought for each job category if a particular visa has an occupation limit. This maintains the Skilled Migration Program's equity and diversity by enabling a broad range of occupations to be taken into account. Utilizing information from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, the cap is determined for each job as a proportion of the overall workforce in Australia. This cap, however, does not apply to applicants using the Business Innovation and Investment Visa categories or nominations from states or territories. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!